Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create a Telegram wallet for yourself. So creating a Telegram wallet is very much simple and easy. You don't need to pay anything. So I just created this Telegram account to create this wallet for you guys to see how the procedure goes. So to create one, just hop on your Telegram like this. If it's an old account or new account, you can do this and you search for wallet. To create a wallet for Telegram itself, so you'll be choosing this wallet here. So you can see on here, you just need to tap on the open wallet. Good. And if it's your first time, you are just going to accept their terms of service and then you create your wallet like this. It's very much simple and easy. So this is how the Telegram wallet looks like. This is your tone space and this is your exact or your main wallet. So you can send out cryptocurrencies to other people on the Telegram platform and outside. You can add crypto by using the P2P or external wallet to receive from other people. P2P is you're going to buy it from people on Telegram. You get it? And exchanges, you'll be exchanging, let's say you're exchanging USDT for Toncoin or BTC. And this is the P2P market. So I'll need to verify myself, or this is available when you're using mobile phones. So I'm using PC for the tutorial, that's why I'm not getting that. So to get your Bitcoin wallet address on your Telegram, all you need to do is just tap on the Bitcoin here and you tap on the receive. You're going to get the wallet address. My case is this is a new account. You can see nothing is here. They are asking me to verify. Mostly people use Telegram for a lot of bad stuff. That's why they want you to verify before. At first you get it straight away. So you can see this is USDT, this is Toncoin, this is BTC, this is Notcoin. A lot on Telegram wallet. There's Hamster Combat, X Empire, this is Cartesian, this is Major. So all of them, this is Dogs. If you want to get your address, you just tap and then you receive it. If you want to exchange it for a different cryptocurrency, you just tap on the exchange here. And let's say you want to exchange for something, you just choose the preferred thing you want to exchange for. You can see and then you exchange it. So that's it on how you can create a crypto wallet using the Telegram wallet, and then how you can also use it. I think I gave some few explanations on how to use the Telegram wallet. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.